How to create a business page on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app and creating a new account. You can sign up using your business email or phone number. Enter your business name in the full name field and choose a unique and professional username. Then click Next, set a strong password, and add your email or phone number. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter it and click Next. After that, upload your business logo or profile picture, then tap Next. Now, set up a professional profile that reflects your brand identity. Once your account is created, it's time to switch to business mode. Go to your profile, tap the menu, wavy line, scroll down to account type, and select Switch to Professional Account. Choose the category that best fits your business, decide if you want to display the About You section on your profile, then tap Done. In the next step, make sure to select Business and then tap Next. Add your phone number and business address and enable the option to display contact info so customers can easily reach you. After that, connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook page for a seamless marketing experience across platforms. Finally, complete your professional account setup by adding clear and detailed information about your business. And that's it. Your Instagram business account is ready to launch.